History majors learn about people, they learn about change, they learn about communications. They're great writers. They have particularly strong skills in critical analysis. Employers are really looking for those that are able to understand human conditions, changing nature, and the complexity of all of human affairs.
I think that it's a degree that gives you a lot of different options. People tend to hear history degree and they think, oh, well, that means I have to be a teacher. But our students end up doing a whole lot of different things with their degrees. And they go on to careers in law or public service or in the government.
So some of the opportunities through BG, I was actually able to get a research grant to study Peruvian history in the 1930s. In the spring, I'll actually be able to study abroad in Hong Kong.
I did a study abroad trip after my sophomore year, and I went to Rome, and just being in Rome and all of the layers of history that are there, be in that environment and experience that made history real to me in a way that it had never really been before.
You know, the relationship between faculty and students is what's a real treasure at BGSU. I make a point to get to know my students by name. Our class sizes are small. We get to understand the interests and backgrounds of our students.
So the history faculty have been really open. Anytime that I wasn't able to make it to office hours, I've been able to email them. They get back to me really quick. So I have a really good relationship with all the history professors.
They're all very welcoming and helpful, and they're always there if you need them, even outside of class.
And I think at BG, there's a lot of great opportunities because I think we sort of hit the right balance. We don't have a very large faculty, but the faculty that we do have, they cover a lot of different subject areas.
What's unique about our program is we try to set up different pathways, different thematic fields, where even though as historians we may differ in the countries we study and the years that we study, we have some common interest. So you may follow several different tracks or different courses.
It's a large enough program that you have a lot of variety of different courses that you can take and you can choose from, but it's also small enough that there's a feeling of community.
We really focus on the region and local history and preparing our students for the local market in museums, in government, and in industry. We reach out to the community. We're very active in the community.
So my post-graduation plan currently is, since I am a fourth year in the RTC program here, Air Force RTC, I'll hopefully be going to intelligence school, which intelligence school looks specifically for the humanities, such as psychology, history. History is a huge one, so hopefully an intelligence officer, and then way down the line, hopefully I can turn that second lieutenant rank into a couple of stars.
We empower our students with the knowledge of history to make them a more engaged and better informed citizen.